Hi, I would like to make an appointment, please. Is there any openings for today? I just decided that I wanted to get my hair done, so this is happening. Alright, so I am going to get my hair done, but first, this is my outfit. So my hat, I'm pretty sure I got it from Rue 21, maybe. This is my sister's shirt. She probably got it thrifting. American Eagle, and then I got my new bands the other day from Zoomies.
Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits?
Yep, I don't need a straw, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
He was nice. Okay, so I'm at the salon right now. I don't know what the heckaroonie I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go in there, say that I'm here, probably throw up a little bit because I'm nervous, and I'll be back once my hair is done. So I just got back home, and this is the big reveal. I like it. It's just different, so it's gonna have to get like some getting used to, but I'll probably get some more places lightened up or something, so then it's not so like choppy, so to say. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment down below on what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.